Welcome to Anne Bonny Bags. My name is Uni. Today we're going to install rivets on a crossbody or a shoulder strap. So in order to have success, it's always smart to either you measure or you eyeball it. Make a dot first, because then you can see exactly how it looks. You just don't cut out the hole and then check. And I want a rivet there to just fasten the strap adjuster. So what you do, you have to have a hole punch. You could buy that on Amazon, or you have to have a set where you use a hammer and the little tools that sometimes come with rivet. But that's so much harder and not complicated, but it's so much hassle. So I kind of just like to use a rivet press. And if you're interested at all in making bags in the future, you really would want a rivet press. So here are the rivets, and as you see, they are 9mm. The stem is 9mm, and you can buy these rivets. I buy them on Amazon from Springfield Leather Company, and I'm never disappointed in them. So I like to buy there. You can buy them from their website as well, or Amazon, Springfield Leather Company. So these are double cap rivets. So you see this one with the stem and this one with just a hole. So you clip these two together, stick the one with the neck in the hole, like that. And now I could just press it in the rivet press. So I do the same on the other. Here's the rivet press. These dies here are different sizes, but this one has a hole that the rivet fits perfectly in. It will kind of fall into that. So all you do is you just press. You don't have to press hard, you just press down. Make sure it goes down. And that's it. The rivet is in. How simple is that? We do the same on the strap adjuster. Doesn't matter which side you have up or down, as long as you hit the rivet. And here's the thing. If you're not sure you want to buy a rivet press and you use a hammer and the tools to make holes, other tools to make holes, you can do that, but it's so easy to get marks and hit a little wrong on this rivet. It's harder to make it this pretty. So buy a rivet press. I don't think you buy them pink. I spray painted mine. So that's it. That's our rivets installed. Thank you so much for watching this little tutorial for beginners. Hope I see you in the next video.